All right, so now that I've done all of these cuts and everything looks good, I'm going to go ahead and profile the outside edge. So I'm just going to cut off, if you will, in a sense, a portion of these corners. So the outer lid, I'm going to go ahead, again, it's very similar to the work that I've already done. So if I want to copy a file, rename it, and adjust it, this one's going to have a diameter of 102 millimeters in terms of an overall distance across. Again, my XY centers are still going to be the same at the 57.5. And then my Z-start, because I faced it, I'm going to go ahead and be at a -1. I'm going to drop it down to either a -11 or a -12, just because I want kind of a thicker, if you will, piece. If I look across from top to bottom, that's my profile cut that I'm going to go ahead and work on. So let's go ahead and set that up in the computer under conversational. All right, so now we need to create, if you will, our profile for this lid. If we go into our conversational edit here, you'll notice that I have this marked that it is a 102 overall diameter, but again, we're still running the 115 block. So we'll run all of that through there, but this will be 102 diameter. Again, still our centers, X and Y, 57.5. This one, we're going to run it just a little bit over a centimeter, so we're going to run that at -12 to give the lid a little bit of beef, because we're going to come in and recess the inside just a little bit. Obviously, because we faced it, we're going to be at a -1. And again, we're just going to try and keep all of our tooling parameters the same. That way we don't have to change a lot. So let's go ahead and run that. And we should be good to go. I didn't change anything, so it won't give me any notifications. Let's go run that. All right, so we have our profile cut done. You can see we've got just a little bit of fuzz here. So again, I'm just going to work with the grain, just get some of that off. And I'll show why here in just one second. I want to just kind of clean that up just a smidge. Kind of come around the edge. Now what I really want is a glass. However, this will work just fine. I need to check to make sure that this is going to fit in there. Oh, and that fits perfect. That's the bomb right there. So now we can go ahead and take this off, and let's go ahead and clean off the other side so that our lid is complete.